Hey, Sue.
Hi, guys and ladies. Let me get my glass out of the way. I want to talk about our hands and what we do with them when we're working with machines. We all know on the table saw to use push sticks on our pieces, especially if the piece is less than 3 inches wide. You don't want your fingers around that blade at all. But we've talked about that. The same holds true with the bandsaw. If it's too thin, I've seen people use pencils with erasers on them to gently put it through on the blade for the bandsaw. But I want to talk about the lathe. We know that we're supposed to have our tool on the tool rest, and that tool rest normally has your hand on the tool to keep it tight to the rest, but not so tight that you're going to do any torque. Come on, guys, just hold your hand over it. Or if you're going to use your thumb, that's fine too. But how many people have just put your lathe and you thought, I'm sorry, you just put your tool down, you thought you were getting it on the tool rest and you miss, and it grabs the object, and either the tool flies out of your hand or you get the major check from hell. Also, it could also scrape you up big time, especially since we all want to have really sharp tools. So, I also want to talk about where we put our hands when we're drilling. Yes, we know that the drills are going to come from the tailstock and it's going to your piece, whether it be a brad point or or a Forstner bit or an acrylic drill. We all have to hold down, not scrunch it down, but you need to hold on to your not a colic. What is it, you guys? Your drill. The I have
Drill
a
chuck. Drill
thank,
chuck.
Real.
thank you. I have a keyless drill chuck, and
Can't
nothing worse if that thing starts rattling out of your tail, or the as sometimes when you're turning, the chuck can loosen a little bit, and all of a sudden you've got a rotating drill in front of you. And that's one of the reasons why you're holding down the drill chuck. So, folks, be careful this week. Watch where you put your hands. We want all our fingers to come back next week. So, anyways, take care. Have a great night.